Hello everyone, in today's class we will discuss about question number 5. Let's start explaining instruction format with example. Do you know an instruction format is the layout of bits 0 south and 1 south in an instruction? It tells the CPU what operation to perform, where the data is, and how to access it. General layout of instruction format plot. The instruction is stored in binary 0 and 1. Different fields divide these bits into meaningful parts for the CPU. The most common fields in instruction format are: Opcode field defines the operation to perform. Example, ADD sub MOV mul. Address field tells the CPU where the operand data is stored. Memory register. Example, R1 B X mode field specifies how to interpret the operand direct, indirect, register, etc. Example, immediate mode, register mode, direct memory mode. Together, these fields instruct the CPU exactly what to do. Example, expression solution, expression, x equals a plus b times c. Using to address instruction format. MOV R1, load it into register R1. ADD R1, B, AB2 R1 R1 equals a plus b. MOV R2, C, load C into register R2. MUL R1, R2, multiply R1 with R2 gives a plus b asterisk c. MOVX, R1, store result into memory location X. Now at last, what is instruction set? An instruction set equals complete set of commands that a CPU can execute. Example, Intel x86 has instructions like MOV, ADD, mul, sub. It can include all instructions or special subsets for performance.